4 months ago, I created a TikTok account, and within 4 months, my TikTok account got monetized. And 1 month after monetization, I received my first earning, which is for $176. Also, one of my friends has earned $13,000 in 1 month from the TikTok creativity program. The interesting thing is that both of us are working in the same niche, which is the health niche. Yes, the health niche is one of the high CPM niches. And in this niche, you can earn thousands of dollars through affiliate marketing and brand promotion. So, in today's video, I am going to tell you how you can make viral videos and earn money from the TikTok creativity program. And in between this video, I will also share many tips and tricks with you, so make sure to watch the entire video. First, let's understand the eligibility requirements for the TikTok creativity program. Before joining the TikTok creativity program, you must have a TikTok account from the USA. Creators must be over 18 years of age, have at least 10,000 followers, have at least 100,000 views in the last 30 days, and make high-quality videos of over 1 minute. Not only high-quality videos, but the videos should also be original. All right, now, let me tell you about an account that creates videos similar to mine. Look at this channel. It has over 7,000 followers and good numbers of views on its videos. And from my experience, I can say that this guy must be earning up to $1,500 from the TikTok creativity program easily. If you watch his videos, he uses the Vidnoz AI tool to create videos on health-related tips and tricks. And such videos are helpful for everyone, but I will teach you how to make better quality videos. Okay, first of all, you need to create a TikTok account. If you are from the USA, there is no issue. But if you belong to non-USA, you will have to use a USA TikTok account. You can also buy an account from this website. From here, you can purchase a USA TikTok account for only $29, and after using my promo code, it will cost you only $26. Trust me, if you succeed, you can earn 100 times more than this. So firstly, check the website properly, then take any action. Okay, the link and discount code are in the description below. You can check it from there. All right, now let's learn how we will create videos like this. For the video, we will need a script first. So you have many methods to write a script. The first method, of course, is using ChatGPT or Google Bard. Both are very good. You can use any of them. So I will now use ChatGPT. And remember, you can ask ChatGPT to perform tasks in different ways. It's not necessary to follow my method, okay? I will only use 3 prompts here. So the first prompt is, "Hello ChatGPT, I want to make short videos on the health niche. I will give you a video example, and you have to give me 50 more ideas like them. And the video should be less than 1 minute. Example, what happens when you drink too much water?" So, ChatGPT has given us these 50 video ideas. Now you can make videos on these ideas. If you are not satisfied, you can make changes to the prompt and find a new topic. Okay, now I need to generate a script for the worst title, and I will tell ChatGPT, write a script for a shorts video on this title, "How does caffeine affect your brain?" and hit enter. So ChatGPT will give us the script, but you will see that this script doesn't seem like a script. I mean, it doesn't seem clear, right? Because it has explained in detail how to make the video, what type of graphics to use, and where to add music, okay? So if you are confused about this, you need to give ChatGPT another prompt, which is please turn it into a simple paragraph. And now you can see our script has been converted into a normal paragraph. All right, so guys, this way you can create scripts for each title. Okay, so now we have this one script, and now we need to convert this script into a voiceover. So for the voiceover, you also have 2 options. The first one is 11 Lab. I have given the link to 11 Lab in the description below, where you can come directly from there. You can use it for free, and it also has a paid version, okay? Then go to Explore and find a good voiceover here too. But I suggest you first decide what type of character you are going to use, like male or female, young or old. Then choose a voice of the same type. All right, so as I am going to use a female character, then I will select informative and educational and choose female from here. Now you will only find female voices here. You can choose any of them. All the voices are of quite high quality. So I will add this voice to my voice lab. Okay. Now simply add the script here, choose the voice, and generate the voice. All right, now we have also got the voiceover. Now we need a doctor character. For that, you have to go to Leonardo AI, choose the 9:16 aspect ratio, and write a simple prompt here. I will provide this prompt in the description. So you can see a pretty accurate image has been generated. Now you can download them. One very important thing I want to tell you today. If you want to generate a consistent face image of this image, then you have to go to the 3 dots here and copy the seed number from here. Then you have to turn on Use Fixed Seed here and copy the seed number here. Now, if you generate another image, it will be generated with the same face. Okay, so like the video for this pro tip. Now we have to turn this image into a talking avatar. I am not going to use DID at all because it is very costly. If you want to generate a video without a watermark in it, then you will have to take a $108 per month plan, which is very, very expensive. Not everyone can afford it. That's why today I am going to use the Vidnoz AI tool. In this, you can create super realistic avatars like this, and your video will also look human-like. So if you want to buy, I will provide the link in the description below, and after using this code, you will also get 10% off it. Okay? Another option you have is Viral Face AI, where you can create talking videos. It is the cheapest AI tool, and the good thing is that you have to make a one-time payment, and you can generate unlimited talking photos in it. Not only this, but you can also do many other things in it. So make sure to check it once. I will also provide the link in the description below. All right? So you can try whichever tool you like. I'm just suggesting you, okay? So now I have a subscription to Vidnoz AI, so I will use it. First, you have to sign up for it from the link provided. Then, you have to go to the avatar section and search for Doctor here. You will see that you have many realistic AI avatars. So I will use this female character. All right? Now, you can choose to keep the background color green so that you can easily remove it later. Then, I will import my voiceover here. Vidnoz AI also provides realistic voices, so you can try them too. My voice has been uploaded. Now I will simply export the video from here, and the video will be generated in just a few seconds.
Ever wondered about the impact caffeine has on your brain? As you take that first sip of coffee or energy drink, caffeine swiftly enters your bloodstream, blocking the action of adenosine, a neurotransmitter that promotes relaxation and sleepiness.
So you saw that our avatar looks quite realistic and lip syncs quite well, okay? That's why I preferred this tool. One more thing. You can now use this same character in all your videos so that your branding remains consistent. And if you don't like the character, you can use the face swap feature to swap any other face here. I have explained how to do face swap in this video, so I won't explain it now. All right, okay, so now we have the character as well. Now we need to do some editing, my friends. So let me quickly go to CapCut, and here I will import the character. And then I will go to the cutout and remove the background of the video. All right, after this, we will need some media files and stock videos, which we will match with this character. First of all, read the script carefully, and then search for related materials on Google. Like, our video is about coffee right now, so I will download all the coffee-related images, footage, and graphics from Google. This is a quite simple process. You will find everything on Google. You can download from websites like pixels.com, pixabay.com, bideasy.com, and freepik. Okay. So I have downloaded all the materials related to the video. Now I will import all of them into CapCut. Then I will place them where I need to use them in the timeline. You can use stock videos in both the background and foreground. I recommend you try both. Just follow my steps on how I am doing it. All right, after doing this, you need to add transitions. Just go to the transition section and add transitions between the clips, just like this. Okay, now you can also add visual effects in the same way, and then I will add some animations as well. Okay, now finally you need to go to add text, then go to auto captions, and add captions. Then select all the captions together and choose this template from here. Then slightly increase the text size and change the font style, and I will also change the color from green to yellow. And if you want, you can also add a little shadow and stroke to make the text properly visible. Okay. Lastly, to make the video engaging, you can also add background music and sound effects. You can get background music from YouTube. After doing all this, you can export the video, and now you can see the result.
Ever wondered about the impact caffeine has on your brain? As you take that first sip of coffee or energy drink, caffeine swiftly enters your bloodstream, blocking the action of adenosine, a neurotransmitter that promotes relaxation and sleepiness. Consequently, dopamine and norepinephrine levels rise, enhancing mood, alertness, and concentration. However, excessive caffeine intake can lead to jitters, anxiety, and headaches, while also increasing heart rate and blood pressure.
Wow! Just wow, amazing, my friends! And now you can upload it to TikTok, Instagram Reel, and YouTube Shorts anywhere. So guys, that was the complete step-by-step guide on how you can earn money from the TikTok Creativity Program. If you continue these steps for just 1 month, you will see results. Everything relies on consistency, no matter what the task is. Okay, if you liked the video, make sure to subscribe to the channel and also comment if you have any questions. And make sure to watch this video as well, where I have taught you how to create a profitable, faceless YouTube channel.